Alright, I am house sitting for my ex-boss in Westlake Village, and I'm going to give you a little tour of their place. Your courtyard patio area, fountain, etc., etc. Let's go over the door. I can do this without killing myself. Okay, front area. Enter into the kitchen, downstairs, dining room that goes into the great room, pool table, goes out into a beautiful patio. Pool, volleyball court. Although the cleaners needs to be fixed. The guy's coming tomorrow. I don't know if I can film it, but okay. There's Lucky the dog. Hello, Lucky. Oh, very pretty, very nice. Okay, big room, pool, television. Let's go into the dining, kitchen, breakfast nook area. There's like a little pantry area back here. Okay. The back way around to the kitchen. Back out. And down into the bedroom area. The master bedroom. Another porch. It's a workout area. And my guest room. Bathroom. No, you can't see in there, but laundry room. Another guest room. And their son's room. And there. And the media room. Yeah. That's the house. Okay. Okay, satisfied? It's nice. Nice place to live. Alright. Sayonara.